Hello friends, welcome to Nadia's Crafty Corner, and today the stage is for this beautiful, fun, colorful, summery lemon wreath. We have our kits available at nadiascrafts.com with everything you need. Our kits come with all the material you need already cut and measured for you. So let's get started. And we start with an eco-friendly ring board. And step by step, I'm going to show you how we are going to use the pipe cleaners or zip tie, depending on what we are using. For our first layer of yellow mesh that is sitting on the outside of our beautiful wreath, we are going to use zip ties that are going from the first. There we go. I'm going to show you how it goes in. It's going to go on the first side ring of the board toward the outside. And we are just going to place our yellow mesh, close the zip tie, and we are done. So again, the zip tie goes every other hole on the first ring toward the outside. And now you can see how we insert it. There we go. Every other one going toward the outside of our ring, because our first row with the yellow mesh will not get any other ribbon tails or any other mesh. So it is okay to use the zip ties. For the inside, we will be using pipe cleaners, as we are going to keep adding pretty stuff to it. Okay, friends, so go ahead and put all the yellow ruffles on the first row going toward the outside. And if you see, we are folding our mesh toward the outside because we want to keep the round shape of our wreath. So take your time to finish this off. All your mesh is already cut. Once you're done with the zip ties, make sure you cut off the tail of the zip tie. Once we're done with that, we're going with the pipe cleaners, and we are going to go again every other row right above where we place the yellow, and we are going to use row 1 into row 2. And that's where we're going to insert our green. I'm sorry, our gray. I almost made the same mistake again. We're going to put our gray. Make sure you push your mesh toward the bottom of the board and twist the pipe cleaner once or twice. We are still going to go back with more elements. Okay, so go ahead and continue. We are done with our gray. And you see it's already forming a very pretty wreath. Now we're going to go in with our green mesh. Again, everything is already cut the size for you in your kit. And we are going to place, so we're going to insert our pipe cleaner from row 2 to row 3 on the ones that we skipped before. So we are going to put in our green mesh. And I always like to make sure that the mesh kind of mixes in together. You see how I'm mixing in all the 3 colors. Lift the mesh and mix the different colors together. Okay, so our mesh part is now over. We're going to start with our tails, and the green ribbon that I have in my hands that you already cut for you. We're going to make one loop. So you fold it, you fold the ribbon in half, you make about a 4-inch loop, you scrunch it into center, you lift one leg and twist the other ribbon so that when you are facing the loop and the tails, everything is on the right side. Okay, and we are going to place that on the gray. So you're going to do that all the way around. And of course, we are crafters and we like to fluff our pretty tails, make sure that they come out all nicey and you can see them. And we're going to start inserting some of our lemon, and those are going to go on the green. And what I like to do is I like to fold the ribbon in half, scrunch it in the center, and then place it onto my pipe cleaner. And again, you want to pull those tails out, make sure that it's placed very nicely on your mesh. And then you want to, at this point, you can go ahead and cut your pipe cleaners because we are no longer adding anything else. And go ahead and take your time to place all your tails around, making sure that we cut our pipe cleaners as we go along. To me, that's easier, so I don't forget to do it and I don't have to go back because, I'm already there. So remember, the green tails go on the gray mesh, and our lemon ribbon goes on the green mesh. We put no ribbon on the yellow mesh. That's just there to catch the color from the pretty lemons. And look how nicely it's coming together. And the tails are nice and placed all around. And now it's time for the star of the show, our pretty handcrafted lemon that, by the way, friends, you can also purchase separately if you want to make your own design. So find 2 holes that will host your lemon, because the lemon comes with long pipe cleaner, and that, yes, it is included in your kit. Once you position that in the back, you want to make sure that it is not squishing on the mesh too much. And it's looking very pretty and full and colorful. Of course, the ready-made bow also comes in your kit, and you can insert it again in sharing holes because we have the room in the holes to put more pipe cleaners. And again, as I tell everyone, make sure that when you're pulling, you are not pulling too hard because you do want your pretty bow to be raised, not squished into your wreath. And there you have it, friends, a beautiful lemon wreath that could be your welcoming wreath at your front door, but could also make the perfect kitchen decor and a perfect Mother's Day gift. Hope to see you guys soon. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, as we have lots more beautiful things that we love to share with everybody. Have a great day.